Hey guys, so a few of you have been asking about the web app I've created for Pokemon analysis. It's not perfect, so I've created this only for myself because I wanted to create teams, theorize teams on Pokemon Champions. And I created this one. So to show you how it works, I'm actually going to put this on GitHub as an open source, and then you can do create or build on it as you please. So let me just show you how it works. Battle mode, there's singles and doubles here. AI helper is to so you can just read your Pokemons, and then it will give you a copy paste where you can paste it here so that it will fill up all everything here. So you can just read through your Pokemons in your app or wherever you have it, and then it will, if you can transcribe or maybe type in your Pokemon here, like the stats and everything, and it will give you a structured copy paste that you can post here. And also the bank list, same thing. I have a transcription in my computer, so I just read off the Pokemons, and then it will transcribe here, and then it will give me a copy paste again to paste it here in the Pokemon bank. So in the Pokemon bank, these are all the current Pokemons I have in the Pokemon Champions, so that when it tries to build a team, it'll only get the Pokemons in my bank. And also, this is where you asked it to build a team, let's say aggressive, balanced, defensive, or flexible, or you can describe any theory you want, like say build around Corviknight or build around Blastoise or whatever, or focus on water or whatever theory you have in team building. You can type it in here and then suggest build, and then we'll try to build a team with everything like ability, stat alignment, the stat points, just everything. Now, available items also, I've put everything in here that is available in game because you can just buy it with VP. So everything in game will be available here because some items through the Pokemon universe, everything is not in Pokemon Champions. So I have to create something like this so that we can just add items when it becomes available in game. So when it tries to create let's try to build one, say a balance uh, around focus, focus on Blastoise as main carry. So it takes a while to build, but say it will only get the information from your bank and then from these available items. So if there's new items available in game, you can just type in the name here and then click add. It should add up here. Now, you will need an AI API key for this to work because AI will be analyzing and then building the team for you. So I tried different teams on this. Every team it's built so far has been great, but it's even greater if you add your spin into it manually. Like all AIs, you get an idea and then you build on top of it. So here it is. This one, sometimes if it doesn't have any ability, then it's not um, like it's not on the build. You can just choose whatever you think is best. But as you can see, everything here will be filled, like the HP, the stat points, what item to hold, and then you can try to play through all these themes and then try to improve it manually. And it will show you a tactical overview, team type coverage, if it covered everything. And then you can even analyze the team. Let's say this one is already pre-built. So if you can add your team, it will fill up here and then have AI analyze it, what's missing, um, things like that. Good thing to review on a team when you're theorizing. Say, let's wait for a bit. But as soon as it finish analyzes the whole team, you can read through what's going on, and then you can also uh, send follow-up questions. What about this? What if I use this and that? So it pretty much act like your personal um, analyst or something. But again, this isn't perfect. You can build on this. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll post the video link on GitHub as well.